Welcome to Internet Capsule. Have you ever wondered if your choices truly matter in the grand orchestra of the universe? Is free will an illusion, or a cosmic symphony we choose to conduct? Free will, the foundational and empowering concept that grants individuals the innate ability to shape their destinies through their choices, transcends cultural and religious boundaries. It threads its way through the tapestry of human understanding, weaving threads of empowerment, responsibility, and the dynamic interplay between personal agency and destiny. The roots of free will can be traced through the annals of history, intertwined with the evolution of human consciousness and the quest for meaning. Ancient Greece saw philosophers like Socrates and Aristotle ponder the nature of choice and the moral responsibility that accompanies it. Their ideas laid the groundwork for the development of ethical theories and the exploration of personal agency in Eastern philosophies, particularly in Hinduism and Buddhism. The concept of karma intersects with free will, while Eastern traditions emphasize the importance of aligning choices with one's dharma, righteous duty. The principle of free will also finds itself embedded in the Abrahamic traditions, with the story of Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden portraying its consequences and highlighting the transformative power of choices and their moral implications. In the contemporary world, free will intersects with scientific, philosophical, and psychological perspectives. Neuroscientific studies explore the intricacies of decision-making processes, investigating how the brain processes information and arrives at choices. While these studies shed light on the neural mechanisms behind decision-making, they do not negate the concept of free will. Instead, they invite a nuanced understanding of the interplay between biological factors and conscious choices. Philosophically, free will introduces questions of determinism versus indeterminism. Determinism posits that every event, including human actions, is predetermined, while indeterminism suggests that some events, particularly human choices, are not predetermined and subject to chance. The principle of free will aligns more closely with indeterminism, emphasizing the openness of possibilities and the genuine autonomy of individual choices. Psychologically, the exploration of free will extends to concepts like self-determination theory, which emphasizes the role of autonomy, competence, and relatedness in human motivation. The idea that individuals are driven by an inherent need to make choices that align with their values and aspirations resonates with the principle of free will, suggesting a psychological foundation for the human quest for autonomy. What is your thought on this? Write down in comment section. Now, at the core of the principle of free will lies the recognition that individuals are not mere spectators in the unfolding drama of life, but active participants with the power to shape their destinies. This recognition carries profound implications for personal growth and development. The exercise of free will invites individuals to engage in self-reflection to discern their values and to align their choices with their authentic selves. This process becomes a catalyst for personal transformation as individuals navigate the complexities of life with a conscious awareness of the consequences of their actions. The principle of free will also underscores the importance of taking responsibility for one's choices. While free will grants individuals the autonomy to choose, it does not absolve them of the repercussions of those choices. Ethics, the study of moral principles and values, finds a natural ally in the principle of free will. The belief that individuals have the freedom to choose their actions places ethical decision-making at the forefront of human responsibility. In the realm of ethics, the principle of free will introduces questions about the nature of good and evil, right and wrong. It invites individuals to contemplate the moral implications of their choices and to discern ethical guidelines that align with their values. In the context of spiritual traditions and the pursuit of enlightenment, the principle of free will takes on a transcendent dimension. It becomes a catalyst for spiritual awakening, inviting individuals to exercise their autonomy in the pursuit of higher truths and self-realization. Buddhism, for example, intersects free will with the Noble Eightfold Path, a guiding framework for ethical and mental development. This path emphasizes right understanding, right intention, and right action, highlighting the significance of conscious choices in the journey toward enlightenment. The cosmic perspective challenges the notion that free will exists in opposition to a predetermined cosmic order. Instead, it suggests that individual choices, when made in alignment. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.